Dave here for Ground Station TV and ReadyMadeRC with an awesome FPV ground vehicle build sponsored by Axial. The Axial Wraith is the truck that the good folks at Axial sent up to me to try out. We wanted to add an FPV setup and see what kind of fun we could have. This is the ready to run Axial Wraith. Out of the box, you're going to get the radio, you add your battery, and this crawler is ready to go. It's a lot of fun. You can go all types of places with it. It's a great vehicle. It runs on a 2.4 link right out of the box with the AX3 radio controller. This is the kit version. You can add your own radio system to it, add your own servos, any specifics on the electronics you want. You'll be building this one up from the ground up. You can do your own paint job, fully customizable for the kit version. Depending on which route you want to go, these are both great options and a lot of fun. Real quick and easy is the ready to run version. I highly recommend it. It's a ton of fun. You'll be driving in no time. For the FPV setup, I worked with Tim at ReadyMadeRC to come up with a kit that would fit this truck. It's a laser cut kit that's going to fit right in between the bars and strap in really nicely to the setup. In this case, the GoPro sits on a small bed of absorbing foam, double-sided tape, something that you might want to put in there, gel. There's a range of options to absorb and make sure that the footage looks nice and clean and holds the GoPro in really firm. These slats down here allow it to strap in around the bars on the truck and hold into place. There are different tie down and hole points in the mounting kit. You can mount a transmitter, anything else you want inside that kit. It's all ready to go. For this setup, we're going to use a simple GoPro cable out into the Immersion RC 600 milliwatt 5.8 transmitter. It's a great transmitter. It's one I use on a lot of my different builds, from multicopters, planes, and ground vehicles. It's powered through this simple battery tap, which is just a Dean's connector pass-through, but will supply to this JST plug to power the transmitter. Then on the transmitter, I'm using a skew antenna from Circular Wireless. It's a really great antenna, very solid, great design, very flexible, and comes with a right angle adapter, which works perfectly if you're going to lay down the transmitter, as I do with these setup. That's going to transmit right from the truck direct to something really simple like this, these Fat Shark Dominator goggles, or any of the Fat Shark 5.8 enabled goggles. On the other side, I've got a second one of these skew antennas from Circular Wireless with the right angle adapter, and this setup is ready to go. Simply add in the FPV kit, add in some goggles to receive it, you've got the truck, and you've got the radio. That's it, you're ready to ride. So let's go check out some of this in FPV and see how much fun it is. All of this footage from the Axial Wraith was shot driven in FPV and provides the in-cab perspective you're just not going to get from traditional line-of-sight driving. Simple dirt patches and small mounds from the FPV position become thrilling desert courses and off-road havens, great for testing your driving skills. Add in some riding buddies for an FPV exploration party, and you've opened up a whole new dimension of RC fun. For more information on these builds, go to groundstationtv.com. Visit ReadyMadeRC for all your FPV needs, including the gear you've seen in this video. And visit axialracing.com for more off-road RC action.